In this week's African Agri Overview, proudly brought to you by Collateral Management International and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems, we look at the Kenya maize market with the production outlook promising, but also discuss why they are likely to still remain a net importer this year. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. But with that, let's look at the latest maize prices in Africa. In Nairobi, the price traded on $405 per metric ton, Kampala on $410, Dar es Salaam on $305, and Kigali on $345 per metric ton. Remember, if you'd like more detail on these markets and what's driving these price movements, or become one of our sponsors on this video, be sure to get in touch with us now. And with that, let's hand over to Jacques Pienaar for this week's market update on the grain markets.
Welcome all viewers. This week we revisit the Kenya maize market. Kenya currently in a lean period, normal for this time of year, where imports buffer supply to meet demand. We will look at import origins and the outlook for the next significant maize crop to harvest from October. As always, take note, all numbers used in our graphs are our best estimates, given the limited information at our disposal, and should be seen as such. Let's recap the two annual Kenya maize harvests. The short-range crop plants from November and harvest from April-May, and usually make up around 15% of annual production. The long-range crop plants from late March and harvest from October, and usually make up around 85% of annual production. This graph illustrates our Kenya maize balance sheet history and our forecast for the 2024-25 marketing year, running more or less from September 2024 to August 2025. We foresee an import need of around 700,000 tons for 2024-25, with the majority to be imported from now until late September. It is too early to make a crop forecast for the long-range crop that planted March-April and expected to harvest from October, which will fall in the 2025-26 year. However, our contacts indicate good rains and favorable early growing conditions, so an above normal crop possible. That said, we expect Kenya will remain a maize net import country. Uganda is usually an import source for Kenya this time of year. However, their previous crop was relatively small, and this combined with strong export demand has seen their exportable supply depleted. In fact, Uganda, almost always a net exporter of maize, currently importing from Tanzania. The next Uganda crop should harvest from July, an average to above average crop expected. Therefore, we foresee Kenya should import from Uganda during the months of August and September. The main import origin from now until July should be Tanzania. Tanzania had bumper crops in 2023 and 2024, and general ideas significant exportable stock in that country, and another good crop expected for 2025 to harvest from July. So, the available exportable surplus should not be a problem. Currently, there are two different qualities arriving from this origin. Good quality old crop maize from the Tanzanian NFRA, National Food Reserve Agency, and poorer quality maize, which is relatively high in moisture and also aflatoxin contaminated. It seems Tanzanian traders are mixing old crop, high aflatoxin, with new crop, high moisture, to lower moisture and aflatoxin levels, and indications 50 to 60% of this maize rejected by Kenyan food millers. Rejected maize probably finding its way into the feed market. The next question is how this import picture could impact Kenyan maize prices. the next 2 months before new crop quality imports should become available from both Tanzania and Uganda. This graph indicates price history of Nairobi maize, current spot price at $405 a ton, which represents quality Tanzanian NFRA maize imports and local stock of which there is limited supply left. We guess a two-tier market will develop in the immediate short term, with food millers buying quality maize at a premium, the current market price, and feed millers relying on the mixed lower quality Tanzanian imports at a $40 per ton discount. See the red line. Once the new crops from Tanzania and Uganda become available second half July, we expect Kenyan prices should soften on potential lower import parity. Have to say, we remain surprised by the underlying price support for Tanzanian maize despite high current stock levels. So, softer prices sooner than expected will not surprise us. Next week we will discuss the Zambia soybean market, where a small crop is likely to be price supportive. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Thanks, Jock. Always interesting. Now's the time to update your driveline. Get Zematic gearboxes, motors, coupler kits and wheels at a special offer, available while stocks last. Contact your nearest Zematic dealer for a quote today and invest in a system for the future. Grow with Zematic. A big thank you again to our sponsors, Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems, for making this content possible. Remember, if you're interested in becoming a sponsor or subscribing to more detailed market reports, contact us today. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join us again next week for more insights and updates on the African grain markets.